Hey guys, it's me Antonia, and today I'm on my bunk bed and I'm going to be showing you how you can easily crack your back, and it's no pain. But really quick, I wanted to show you my dope ass lights. So I got this remote control and I have my lights on. Fuck yeah. Oh my god, yes! But since I'm filming a video and I get like really fucking bright, I'm gonna do that. So you see these little bars, or whatever you want to call them, right here? You're gonna take your hands, I'm gonna simply demonstrate how to do this. Okay, so you're gonna take your hands like this, and first, actually, what you're gonna do, you're gonna stretch back, like just lying down, simple legs out. Stretch up, like this, like so. Put your hand here, put your other hand there. Boom, 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 boom. And if you want, you can go more forward, but that is it. Really simple and it. Bye. I didn't belong.